Today is a major milestone for all of us at Fasal. I am happy to announce that our proprietary device, the Fasal Kranti, has been granted a patent by Indian Patent Office. This in fact further strengthens our efforts towards driving a horticulture-led farming revolution in India as well as globally. I congratulate and I share a big thanks to all the folks from our incredible engineering team who have been working hard on this IP from last 2-3 years. Thank you everyone for the great work.
I'm very happy and proud to announce that one of our flagship products, Fasal Kranti, which is a plug-and-play farm IoT device that can be shipped to anywhere in the world and deployed in minutes, has been granted patent by Indian Patent Office. This is a true indication of our commitment towards making innovations in agriculture. I'm incredibly proud of our team who has worked very hard on this for years and on its development and making it a reality. Thank you.